Hi guys, stars, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're showing you and reading mine and my sister's fidgets. She said that it's okay if I use them, and yeah. So let's get started. I'll also tell you which ones are mine and which ones are hers. So first one, we got this paper slinky. This is mine. This was one of my first fidgets. It stretches really a lot, and you just use paper strips to make it. Yeah. Just put it. So I would have rated this an 8.5. If it was all new and didn't get kind of ruined. But I rated it a 7.5 because it did get ruined. So next we have this puzzle. This is also mine. I really like it because I'm not good at Rubik's Cubes. I don't know how to do it, but I am good at these. Not to brag, but yeah. It's been mixed up and I've solved it in 13 seconds once. So yeah. And you might be saying, what if you just mixed it up and solved it really easily? But no, my sister mixed it up, and yeah, I really like them. Also because of the click, it sounds good too. So yeah, I rate this one an 8.5. Next, this is my sister's. It's a textured tangle. She got it for trading it for a simple dimple. Not simple dimple, triple dimple. Yeah. Yeah. It's the real one because it has the tangle logo. It's backwards for you. Yeah. And yeah, I really like this because it's also textured and it feels really good. Okay, guys, just need to pause it for a second. Bye. And guys, I'm back. So yeah, this is my sister's, and I really like it. Like some knockoff tangles, they're really hard and stiff to move around, but this one's easy. It's what is it? Bracelet, jewelry, yes. And yeah, I really like this one, so I rate it. You can also take them apart. I like taking all of them apart and making macaroni, but my sister doesn't like me doing that. So I rate this one also an 8.5. Next, we have this marble mesh. Yeah, this is my sister's. And yeah, I really like this one. I like doing this with it. You just move it around and your thumbs catch it, kind of. And also I like doing this, making it that, shaking the marble around, and also pulling it in. It kind of looks like a candy wrapper. So yeah, I rate this one an 8. No, do the other one. So this is my marble mesh, and I like this one just a little bit better than my sister's because it's easier to move around, and yeah, I also like doing that same thing. And this. No, my dad tried to shake it when it was good. So I rate this one an 8.5, and this one's mine too. Okay, this is my sister's. This is her fidget spinner. It's really good. I really like it because, so it has a smooth side here and some with bumps. And then when you're spinning it on the smooth side, you can kind of put your finger on it and it slows down a little bit. But if you put it on the rough side, it just hurts your finger. So yeah, I rate this. I rate this one an 8. Okay, this is also my sister's. This is her homemade rice stress ball. I really love it. Like, I can't tell you how much I love it. I love throwing it up and catching it. For some reason, I love catching things. But yeah, and it's so nice to just squish, move around in your hands. It kind of molds a bit, so like I'll get it to normal shape, and then you can do this, and then see. Yep, I really love this, so I'll rate this one a 9.5. Next, this is also my sister's. It's her unicorn dimple. It's actually really good. So, yeah. Wait, I'll just hear the sound of this stress ball again. Sounds so good, right? So, yeah, this is back to reality. Not reality. So, yeah, this is my sister's. That was the bad side. It's really good. This is the good side. So, yeah, I really like this. We got it at Cosmetics Plus. Sounds really good, too. And yeah, you can also use it as a poppet, kind of, if you have stretchy fingers, like just like that. So yeah, I rate this one a 9. My sister's just doing all of her fidgets. So this is my sister's pop tube. So you can also do this, so when you stretch it, you can do this. Sounds so funny. And then you put the other end into your ear, and you can talk into it. Yeah, so it sounds really funny. And then this ear feels uneven to that ear, so for some reason it's like OCD. I always need to do it to the other one. Yeah, that feels normal. And yeah, I rate this one. This one's quieter than my one. And guys, I found my yellow pop tube, but it's broken. But we're still showing it to you. And my one's louder than this one, and this is my sister's. So I rate this one an 8.5. Next is another one of my sister's. This is her avocado dimple. She put a pipe cleaner on it, so she can just put it on her wrist, and like as she goes, she can just. Yeah. This one's so cute. Just look at its cute avocado face. It's so cute. Or you could like hang this on something. It's really cute. And this is the seed, but for some reason it's orangey brown. Because you know how the seeds are brown? Yeah. I rate this one. An 8.5. Another one of my sister's. So this is her pineapple poppet. It's textured. I don't know if you can see the textures. Yeah, I don't think you can. But it has little pineapples on it. Maybe you can't see them, but can you hear them? Oh wait, you can kind of see them if I do like this. Well, this is the good side. So this is good. You can kind of slide it. This is me sliding it. And then you have to go like the other way and slide it. So yeah. And then this is the bad side. The bad side also has textures on it. So, I rate this one a 9. And another one of my sister's. So this is her cupcake puppet. It's like really jelly-like. And yeah, so this is the good side. Shh. And this is me trying to slide it. It does slide, and now this is the bad side. Shh. So yeah, I rate this one an 8. And now we have this fidget cube. So this is basically everyone's in my family, that like all the girls, yeah, all my sisters and stuff. It's Galaxy, as you can see. And you know this used to be able to click, but then someone like pushed it and then held it in and it couldn't come out. So it kind of clicks. It doesn't click, like you can push it down a bit. Yeah. But yeah, it's nice to roll and it's like nice and cold. Only 3 of these buttons click, can you guess? So you know the middle one clicks. And then is it this side or this side? It's this side. So all 3 of these ones click. And then we have this like, it's kind of like a light switch. And then we have this. Just move it around. Then we have this. It's like a controller pad. It's a bit squeaky for some reason. Well, it is kind of old. And then with this also can like, I forgot what it's called. Yeah. And you can also pull it. And it makes a nice noise. And then last but not least, we have this like kind of useless thumbprint just there. But it's kind of nice to like scratch it. I don't know. So yeah. I like this one. It has 5 fidgets. Even though there's 6 sides, this isn't really a fidget. So yeah. I rate this one an 8. And next, we have this. This is my sister's. It's not mine. Yeah, it's Grace's. So this is my other sister's. Shh. So yeah, this is quite soft, and yeah, my cousin like loves this puppet, but I like it, but I don't love it. Like, so this is me sliding it. Can slide, so yeah. I rate this one. Its bad side is also quite soft, so yeah. I rate this one an 8. I'm rating so many things an 8. And next we have, this just went over here like, so this is also the one that owns the hexagon puppet. So yeah, this is really good. Grace's. We bought it and it wasn't that good, like the bad side kept popping up, but we just washed it so many times and it got better. So you can't really hear it. If you're up close you can hear it, but like, yeah, at least it doesn't keep popping up now. So I rate this one see, it popped up just then. But yeah, I rate this one an 8.5. Guys, just need to go for a second. My sister needs me. Bye. And guys, I'm back. And I need to go again. And guys, I'm back. For the next fidget, we have this little guy. This caterpillar. He was longer, but then I accidentally snapped him in half. And I don't know where the other half went. So, yeah. This is this isn't mine. This isn't that sister. This is Grace's, my other sister. And yeah. So it's kind of like a creepy, curly, textured monkey noodle thing. So I accidentally broke it when I was stretching it too much. So this is kind of useless. It's like fun to play with, but like, yeah. So I rate this one 7.5. And next, guys, I'll be back. And guys, we're back. So my dog's still a little bit jumpy, but if she starts barking again, I'll pause it. So next we have the puzzle puppets. This is also my other sister's. So yeah.
Which one?
Literally everything left is mine.
No.
Oh no, except that big jumbo puppet. Okay. This is my other sister, Grace. And you can play with it when it's attached together, but I don't really. So my favorite is definitely the red one, because just wait until my dog stops clickering around when she. Okay, so because listen to the good side on the red one. Okay, there you go. So cute, right? And then this is the bad side. So yeah, that's my favorite. My second favorite is the green one, because it kind of makes a clicky noise, but just like. That was funny. Okay, so next, this is my second favorite one, the green one. Yeah, and then this is also the bad side. So yeah, and then these are basically the same. So we have the orange one. These are basically just normal puppets. And then the bad side. So yeah. It's just the finger holes are just a bit smaller than usual. And then the yellow one. Like, these two are tied the same. And then the bad side. So yeah. I rate this one a 10, this one a 9, and these two a 7.5. So, but altogether, I rate this, I think, a 9.5. And next, on to the things that are mine. This pea popper. This pea popper is mine. So this used to be incredibly good. Like, these small ones are still really good, easy to poke up. But this middle one, I'm looking at her because she made it hard to poke up. She did. So she opened, when she was showing her friend, she because you know there's that greasy stuff to make it easy to pop up. She opened this up and it dried all out. So yeah, it's hard to poke up, but this is the cute little face it has. It's a little doggy. So yeah, that's its ear, and then its face. It's like looking over there. So yeah, I rate these two little ones an 8.5, and I rate this one. Oh no, I rate the small ones a 9, and I rate this little bugger an 8. So yeah, that was mine. This is also mine. My triple dimple has a keychain on it. Sometimes gets annoying, so I'll take it off. So yeah. You could also use it as just a simple dimple. If I'm using it as a simple dimple, I like the... Okay, so I like the yellow and purple ones the best because they're opposite colours and they just look really good together. So yeah, this is the bad side. And then this is the good side. So yeah, I rate this one 9. And next we have mine also, my simple dimple. Oh wait, I'll also show you another thing I like doing the triple dimple. So you get it on the good side and then you just press it down on the floor like this. And they pop up. So, yeah. Or you can do it like individually kind of. So yeah. And then the simple dimple. So this is the... Shh, can you please be quiet? I'll be back when she's done. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, sometimes she just gets so annoying. Okay. This is the bad side. This is the good side. So bad side. Oh, some guy's talking. Okay. This is the bad side. And the good side. And my dog started barking again, so I'll be back. And guys, we're back. So I had another simple dimple, but yeah, I lost it on the day that I bought it. It's somewhere in my house, but yeah. So it's the plastic bit is black, and then these bits are pink and blue. And I love that one so much because it's so soft, and it was like made such a good noise too. So yeah, I rate this one a 9. And if I had my other one, I'd rate it a 10. My dog's still walking around because this is like kind of like woody floor, and her claws keep clickering. Yeah. So Ivy. Okay, I'll go get that puppet. See you when I get it. And guys, I got the puppet. So yeah. This is my first ever puppet and kind of my first ever fidget. Except my homemade fidgets, like my fidget board. I have a giant fidget board, but I'm not showing it. And that paper slinky at the start. So yeah. And then you can also slide it pretty good. It's satisfying. And then this is the bad side. I'll just wait for my dog to sit down. Okay, this is the bad side. Be back. And guys, I'm back. She's sitting on the bed right now. So, yeah. So this is the bad side. So yeah, so this is actually a really good puppet. All of the fidgets have dog hair on them now because I'm playing with them on the floor and there's so much dog hair on the floor. So, yeah, so yeah. And guys, this was so clean, and then my dad put it's called magnetic putty in it, and it spread everywhere and I couldn't get it out. So yeah. That's why it has some grey spots on it, but yeah. I rate this. Shh. I rate this. Be back. Guys, my sister gets so annoying sometimes. I told her if she's gonna pass them to me, she has to be quiet. But she keeps playing with them. So I rate this one. I rate this one. This is actually really good, so I rate it a 9.5. Next fidget. My third most recent puppet. Unicorn puppet. I got it from, I think it was Best and Less. Yeah. So this is the good side. And then this is me sliding it on the good side. and the bad side. The bad side is so soft. And yeah, so I have this one. You can see my name on it because my sister has one, but she doesn't really like it, so she just keeps it out of all of her videos because it's like every time you try and pop the bad side, it just blings right back up. So yeah, I rate this one. I rate this one a 9.5. I love this thing. This is an acupressure ring. It's so nice. You just roll it on your fingers, or you could try it on your toes, but you just roll it on and off. It feels like so good. So yeah, it relieves my stress sometimes. So yeah, it's like really calming. It feels so good. So yeah, I rate this one a 10. And next, we have this wacky track. This is my wacky track. Yeah, so everything you see right now is mine except those 2 giant poppets we have at the end. One of them's mine and one of them my sister's. So yeah.
They can't see them.
Yeah, they'll see it at the end. So yeah. I like this wacky track better than this one because this one was the first wacky track I got, and it used to make a lot of nice clicky noises, but it's just mostly soft now. And if you move it a certain way, it sometimes makes clicky noises. So yeah. And it's like really easy. This one's really easy to move around. And it doesn't pinch you. Sometimes this wacky track pinches me a bit. But yeah. And when this does click, it makes such a big, loud click. I'll just gosh. So yeah. I rate this one an 8.5. And then this one, you can make a wacky track snapper. So this one used to be like blue, green, blue, green, blue, green, or green, blue, green, blue. But then I separated the colours. You can also make a wacky track. So you can bend them all up, or you can bend up and then up and then down, and then also next one. So yeah, you can build with these, you can take them apart. So yeah, I really like these, and yeah, they make there's drilling noises. But yeah, these make a nice clicky noise, so I rate this one a 9.5.
No.
Guys, I'll be back. My brother just walked in. So guys, my brother's out now, and yeah, so time for the next fidget. Also mine. So my sister had a pineapple one. I have a strawberry one. So it also has textures on it. They're not strawberries. It's like raindrops. But yeah. So yeah, this is the good side. Oh, I can't show you. There's a drill. There we go. It does make noise, but like not a whole lot. And then it's the same with my sister's. When you slide it, it goes like bean bags, and then you have to slide it the other way. So yeah, and then this is the bad side. The bad side actually does make more noise than the good side, but yeah, the good side makes it like deeper noise. Well, while the bad side makes a more crisp noise. So yeah. I rate this one a 9. Next, my favorite puppet that I own. So it's a plastic rainbow puppet, square, as you can see, and it makes such good noises. So this is the good side. even though both of the things are good side. And when you try to slide it, it doesn't really work. Yeah. And then let's just keep poking. That was the good side, now the bad side. So yeah, this is just such a good pop-it. You can hear that, and that's the fidget that we're doing next. The snapper. So yeah, I rate this pop-it a 10 out of 10. Next, we have the snapper.
Like she said.
So this is mine. We got it at Cosmetics Plus. Yeah. It makes a loud, nice noise. It's a dark, like royal blue. So, yeah. And when it gets stuck like that, you just put it the other way and it goes undone. So yeah, I really like this. I rate this a 9.5 because it also like works out your hand. Okay. And then next we have my pop tube. The ones, well, I've said in other videos where I lost it and someone also broke it. And there was some kids over at this house that were playing with it, and then they broke this other half off, so you can't make it. You can't make it a circle. But yeah. So this one is louder than my sister's. And I'll go get my sister's one. So I'll put this on. This one. Back together. So this is my sister's. This is mine. And then this is my sister's going back together. And then this is mine going back together.
This is a lot more harder to get in.
But yeah, and you can also do that thing where you go and, or you could do it the other way, so this bit goes here. Yeah, I have this one. My parents don't like this because it's so loud, but sometimes they do, but sometimes they don't. And yeah, so I like this one.
If we're playing with it, then they do, but if we're playing with it, they don't.
So I rate this one a 9. No, 8.5. 8 3/4. And then the last two things. So we have
Mine.
so this is my sister's, her jumbo pop-it. So this is the good side. So it's popping it, and then you can also slide it. And then my sister's bad side. And yeah. Alright, this one a 9.5. And then this one, basically the same. This is my one.
But mine's a bit better.
Actually, I like mine better. So for the sliding, so that's poking it, and then so with the sliding for this, you can go 1, 2, 3, and then you can use the big old 4 fingers. So yeah, and then this is my bad side. So yeah, I rate this one a 9.5, the same one. And yeah, sorry that this was such a long video. I hope you stars enjoyed it. And yeah, so please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.